Good morning, students. Welcome back to online class. How are you, students? I hope you all are fine and safe. Students, now we are learning geography part, is it? From geography part, now we are learning geography lesson 6. Okay, students, from this lesson, which topic we learned in previous class? Have you remember, students? Very good. We learned about Eastern Ghats, plateaus, plains, and beaches. Is it? In the beginning of this class, we can recollect few important points about previous class portion. In previous class, first of all, we learned about Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats, it is a discontinuous mountain range. Is it, students? Western Ghats are continuous mountain range, but Eastern Ghats are discontinuous mountain range. Then some of the hill stations are covered by these Eastern Ghats. The important hill stations are Javadu, Servarayan, Kalrayan, Kollimalai and Pachemalai. Is it? From here, we learned these all hill stations, about these all hill stations details. First of all, I am going to recall few important points about this particular hill station. The first one is Javadu Hills. Is it? Javadu Hills are extended in which district, students? Very good. Velur and Tiruvannamalai districts. Is it? Velur districts and Tiruvannamalai district. Then its highest peak is Melpattu. Melpattu is the highest peak of Javadu Hills. Is it? Then secondly, we learned about Kalvarayan Hills. Kalvarayan Hills, it is one of the important hill station of Eastern Ghats. Then some of the hill stations separates these particular hills, and also some of the rivers separated these hills from other hills. For example, the river Kaveri and Palar separated these hill stations. Okay. Then thirdly, we learned about the Servarayan Hills. Servarayan Hills, it is located in the Chellam city. Is it? Servarayan Hills are located in the Chellam city. Then its highest peak is Solaikaradu. Solaikaradu is the highest peak of Servarayan Hills. Is it? Then Yerkadu Hills also located in Servarayan Hills. Yerkadu Hills are otherwise called, very good, poor man's Ooty. Is it? Poor man's Ooty. Then next we learned about Kolli Hills. Kolli Hills, it is the small mountain range. It is the small mountain range. Is it? Then Arpaliswara temple is located in this particular hill station. It is one of the important pilgrim area. Is it? Pilgrim center. This Arpaliswara temple also located in Kolli Hills. Okay. Then next we learned about Pachemalai. Pachemalai, it is the lowest hill range. Is it? It is the lowest hill range. These hill stations are located in the districts of Perambalur, Tiruchirappalli and Chellam. Is it? Perambalur, Tiruchirappalli and Chellam. Jackfruit is the popular agricultural product of this particular hill stations. Then next we learned about plateaus. Is it, students? Plateaus. Plateaus are located between, very good, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Is it? Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. What is the shape of plateaus? Excellent. Triangular. Triangular shape is the, triangular is the shape of plateaus. Okay. Then some of the important plateaus are Baramagal Plateau, Coimbatore Plateau, Mysore Plateau, Madurai Plateau. These all plateaus are located in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Then next we learned about plains. Plains. The Tamil Nadu may be divided into two. The plains areas are divided into two. They are inland plains and coastal plains. Is it? Inland plains and coastal plains. Inland plains, that means some of the rivers. For example, Palar, Ponniyar, Kaveri, Tamarabarani. These are the some of the important rivers in rivers of these plain areas. Then coastal plains, that means Coromandalam, Cholamandalam plains. These coastal plains are extend from Chennai to Kanyakumari. Okay, Chennai to Kanyakumari. Next we learned about what is terry. What is terry, students? Have you remember? Very good. The sand dunes formed along the coast of Ramanathapuram and Thuthukudi districts are called terry, is it? Then coral rocks also we can found in this particular coastal plain areas. Okay. Finally, we learned about beaches. The Coromandel coast along the Bay of Bengal consists many beautiful beaches, is it? Many beautiful beaches. For example, Marina Beach, Eliot Beach. These beaches are located in Chennai. Then Kovalam Beach is in Kanchipuram, Silver Beach in Kudalur. These are the important beaches in Tamil Nadu. Okay, these all things we learned in the previous class. Okay, is it, students? Then and also I gave some of the question answers from this topic. I hope you learned that question answers. Students, those who did not learn, you should learn day-to-day portions. Okay, students, now let us come forward to today's class. Okay, today we are going to learn drainage. Today's topic is drainage. Okay, rivers are the lifeline of our state. Drainage, that means just before I explained this, it is some of the trains areas, rivers, for example, Palar, Penniyar, Kaveri, Tamarabarani, like some of the rivers are very, very important. These rivers are one of the lifeline of our state. Tamil Nadu has many rivers, for example, Kaveri, Palar, Ponniyar, Vaigai, Tamrabarani. These are the important rivers of Tamil Nadu. Okay. And also in Tamil Nadu, most of the rivers are originated from Western Ghats. In Tamil Nadu, most of the rivers are originated from Western Ghats and it flows towards east into the Bay of Bengal. Listen very careful, students. In Tamil Nadu, most of the rivers are originated from Western Ghats and these particular rivers are flow towards east into the Bay of Bengal. Except Tamarabarani, remaining all the rivers are non-perennial. Except Tamarabarani alone, perennial river. Perennial river means throughout the year the water is flowing. Okay. Except this Tamarabarani, all other rivers are non-perennial. Non-perennial means only the particular seasonal rainfall seasonal time only we are getting water from these particular rivers. Okay. Then students, now I am going to explain the most important rivers in Tamil Nadu one by one. Okay. The first important river is Kaveri. The first important river is Kaveri. River Kaveri is originated from Western Ghats near Talakaveri in Brahmagiri hills of Kadagu district in Karnataka district. Listen very careful, students. River Kaveri. This river Kaveri is originated from Western Ghats near Talakaveri. It is originated one of the important hill station, that is Brahmagiri Hills. The Brahmagiri Hills are located in Kadagu district. Kadagu district is in Karnataka. Okay, then the total length of this river is 805 kilometer. From 805 kilometer, 406 kilometer of its course are falls in Tamil Nadu. Okay, then this Kaveri river serves the boundary between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. This Kaveri river serves the boundary between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. And also, this river forms the Koknakal waterfalls. This river forms the important waterfalls that is called Koknakal. Koknakal waterfalls are formed by Kaveri river. It is in Dharmaburi district. It is in Dharmaburi district. And also Mettur dam also built across the river Kaveri. Mettur dam also built across this river Kaveri. This Mettur dam is located across the river Kaveri in the district of Salem. Okay, then from Kaveri, many tributaries are there. Two tributaries are very, very important. For example, Noyal and Amaravati. These Noyal and Amaravati rivers are flow on the right bank of Tirumukkudal. Listen very careful, students. Two tributaries are very important from Kaveri, Noyal and Amaravati. These two rivers are flow on the right bank of Tirumukkudal. Okay, these rivers are called Agandra Kaveri. These two rivers are called Agandra Kaveri. Okay, then in Tiruchirappalli, the river Kaveri branches into two parts. In Tiruchirappalli, the river Kaveri branches into two parts, northern and southern part. The northern branch is called Kolirun or Kollidam. The northern branch is called Kolirun or Kollidam. Okay. Then the southern branch is called Kaveri Delta Basin. The southern branch is called Kaveri Delta Basin. Okay. After flowing this river for 16 kilometers, two branches are joined again from the Sri Rangam island. Listen very careful, students. In Tiruchirappalli, the river Kaveri branches into two parts, northern and southern parts. Then, after flowing this river for 16 kilometers, that two branches are joined again from the Sri Rangam island. Okay, Sri Rangam island. One of the important Anaikat, Kallanai, was also built across the river Kaveri. One of the important Anaikat, Kallanai. Okay, Kallanai. This Kallanai Anaikat also built across the river Kaveri. Okay. After Kallanai, the river breaks into number of tributaries. After Kallanai, the Kaveri river breaks into number of tributaries. It forms the Kaveri Delta. That all tributaries forms the Kaveri Delta. So, it is called the Garden of Southern India. So, this river is called the Garden of Southern India. Finally, this river merges into Bay of Bengal to the south of Kudalur. Okay, can you understand, students? The first one is river Kaveri. Is it? It is very important. Okay, important 5 mark question. And also next one box given, is it blue color box, that is important islands of Tamil Nadu. Okay, important islands of Tamil Nadu. Listen here, students. This is one of the 2 mark question. Very important public exam question. Okay, important islands of Tamil Nadu. Listen here. Pamban, Hare, Kurusadai, Nallathani Teevu, Pullivasal, Sri Rangam, Upputhanni Island Grounds, Kattupalli Island, Kubil Island, and the Vivekananda Rock Memorial. These are the major islands of Tamil Nadu. This is one of the 2 mark question. Okay. Okay, students. The second important river is Palar. The second important river is Palar. The Palar river is originated from Talakaveri in the village of Kolar district in Karnataka. Palar Kaveri river also originated from Karnataka district, but most of the areas are flowing in Tamil Nadu. Likewise, the Palar river also originated in Karnataka state. Okay, in the Kolar district in Karnataka. Then the total area of this river is 17,871 square kilometer. The total area of this river is 17,871 square kilometer. Okay, 57% of this river is flowing Tamil Nadu and rest of the areas are flowing in Karnataka. Okay, listen very careful, students. 57% of this river is flowing in Tamil Nadu. Rest of the areas are flowing in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh also. Many tributaries are there in Palar river. The important tributaries of Palar rivers are Ponnai, Gaundinya Nadi, Malathar Nadi, Cheyyar, and the last important tributary is Killiyar. Okay, Killiyar also the one of the important tributary of this Palar river. Okay, then this the river's total length is 348 kilometer. The total length of this river is 348 kilometer. Out of this, 222 kilometers of this river is falls in Tamil Nadu. Out of 348 kilometer, 222 kilometer of this river is falls in Tamil Nadu. Okay, then this river is flows through the district of Vellore, Kanchipuram. Okay, this river is flow through the districts of Vellore and Kanchipuram. Okay, then the third important river is Tenpennayar or Tenponniyar. Okay, Tenpennayar or Tenponniyar. This river is originated in the hills of Nadi Turka in Karnataka. The Ponniyar, this also originated in Karnataka state. Okay, then the total area of this river is 16,019 square kilometer. Okay, then 77% of this river is flowing in Tamil Nadu. This river also originated in Karnataka, but 77% of this river is flowing in Tamil Nadu. Okay, this river flows in Tamil Nadu for the distance of 247 kilometer, and also this river is flowing in some of the districts such as Krishnagiri, Dharmaburi, Velur, Tiruvannamalai, Kudalur and Viluppuram. Okay, then it has two branches. In this river has two branches. They are Kadilam and Ponniyar. Okay, Kadilam and Ponniyar near Tirukkoilur Anaikkattu. This particular river have two branches. They are Kadilam and Ponniyar. It is near Tirukkoilur Anaikkattu. Okay, then this Kadilam joins the Bay of Bengal near Kudalur, and this Ponniyar joins near the Union Territory of Puducherry. Kadilam joins the Bay of Bengal near Kudalur, and Ponniyar joins near the Union Territories of Puducherry. Okay, it has some tributaries. Okay, then the main tributaries are Chinnar, Markanda Nadi, Vaniyar and Pambar. Okay, these are the important tributaries of this particular river. During heavy rainfall, this river causes sudden floods. During heavy rainfall, this river causes sudden floods. These rivers dams are used for irrigation. These rivers dams are used for irrigation. It has reservoirs at Krishnagiri and Chatanur. It has some other reservoirs at Krishnagiri and Chatanur. Then this Ponniyar is considered the sacred by Hindus, sacred place of Hindus. They are celebrating the festivals. The festivals are held during the Tamil month of Thai. Okay. Then the fourth important river is Vaigai. The fourth important river is Vaigai. This river flows from the hills of Varsanadu in the western Ghats of Tamil Nadu. Vaigai river flows from Tamil Nadu. Okay, western Ghats in the hill station Varsanadu in Tamil Nadu. Okay, the total area of Vaigai river is 7,741 square kilometer. This particular river flows through the district of Madurai, Sivaganga and Ramanathapuram. This Vaigai river flows through the district of Madurai, Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram. Its length is 258 kilometer. Its length is 258 kilometer. It discharges its water into Ramnad, big tank, some other small tanks also there. Finally, this water was discharged into Palk Strait near Ramanathapuram district. Okay, then the last one is Tamrabarani river. The last important river is Tamrabarani river. Okay, this name is interpreted as Tamiram and Varuni. Tamiram and Varuni. That means Tamiram means copper and Varuni means streams of rivers. Tamiram means copper and Varuni means streams of rivers. Okay. Due to the presence of dissolved red soil, water of this river gives like copper. So, this river is originated, and also this river is originated from the peaks of Podigai hills. Okay, this river is originated from the peaks of Podigai hills in Tamil Nadu and the Western Ghats. Okay, nearby Pavanasam and Ambasamuthiram. Okay, then this river is flow through the district of Tirunelveli and Thoothukudi. this Tamarabarani river is flow through the district of Tirunelveli and Thoothukudi. Finally it flow into the Bay of Bengal in Thoothukudi district. Okay, the main tributaries of this river is Kariyar, Servalar, Manimuttar, Kudanadi, Pachiyar, Sittar and Ramana. Okay, Ramanadi. These are the important tributaries of Tamarabarani river. It is the perennial river. Tamarabarani is the perennial river. Throughout the year, water is flowing in this particular river. Okay, then the major waterfalls. Okay, listen very careful students. The major waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. The major waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. Some of the waterfalls are important in Tamil Nadu. Now I am going to teach the districts and particular waterfalls. Okay, the first one is Dharmaburi district. In Dharmaburi district, the important waterfall is Kognakal. Kognakal waterfalls are in Dharmaburi district. Then in Tirunelveli, Guttalam, very favorite waterfalls, is it? Kalyana Tirtham and Kuttalam waterfalls also there. In Theni, Kumbagarai and Surli waterfalls are there. Then in Namakal, Ahaya Gangai waterfalls are there. Then in Nilgiri, Catherine and Paikara waterfalls are there. In Chellam district, Kiliyur waterfalls is there. Then in Virudhunagar, Ayyanar waterfalls are there. Then in Coimbatore, Baidaki, Chengupadi, Sirvani and Kovai Kuttalam. These are the important waterfalls in Coimbatore. In Tirupur, Tirumurti waterfalls are very famous. Then in Madurai, Kuttala Tambati is the important waterfalls in Madurai. Then in Kanyakumari district, Triparapu waterfalls are very famous. Then Kalikesam waterfalls are very famous. Then Ulakkai waterfalls are there. Then Vettaparai. Okay, these are the important waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. Okay, these are the important waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. Can you understand, students? Okay, the next topic is climate. Okay, the next topic is climate. Listen very careful, students. The Tropic of Cancer divides India into two equal parts. The Tropic of Cancer divides India into two equal parts. Tamil Nadu lies to the south of Tropic of Cancer near the equator. Okay, Tamil Nadu is located the south of Tropic of Cancer near equator. So, it received vertical temperature. Tamil Nadu receives vertical temperature. The temperature of Tamil Nadu is high throughout the year because it lies near equator. Tamil Nadu lies near equator. So, Tamil Nadu has high temperature throughout the year. So, our state follows hot climate. Okay, our state has hot climate. But in the east coast of Tamil Nadu enjoys tropical climate. Most of the areas in Tamil Nadu has hot climate. But in the same time, the east coast of Tamil Nadu enjoys tropical climate. Okay, then east coast enjoy tropical climate. In the same time, the west coast enjoys mountainous climate. East coast enjoys tropical climate. In the same time, the west coast enjoys mountainous climate. Okay. Now, let's see the tabular column. See the book, students, now. There seasons of India, Tamil Nadu given. Is it seasons of Tamil Nadu? Listen here. Seasons. There are four main seasons are there. Winter season, summer season, southwest monsoon, northeast monsoon. Winter season, summer season, southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. Winter season, the period is January to February. Summer season, March to May. Southwest monsoon season, June to September. Northeast monsoon season, October to December. Okay, this is one of the book inside important 2-mark question. Okay, this is one of the book inside important 2-mark question. Okay, students. Now I am going to explain one by one. Okay, that means each seasons one by one. Now I am going to explain. The first one is winter season. The winter season. The first one is winter season. The winter season is occurred during the month of June to September. June to February. The winter season is occurred during the month of June to February. The vertical sunrise falls Capricorn and Equator. The vertical sunrise falls the Capricorn and Equator. So, Tamil Nadu receives slanting rays from the sun. In this during this month, Tamil Nadu receive slanting rays from the sun. Okay, slanting rays in the sun. So, during this month, the weather is very cooler. During this month, the weather is very cooler. Listen, students. The first one is winter season. Winter season is occurred during the period of June to February. January to February. Okay, not June. January to February. Okay, January to February. During this month, Tamil Nadu receives slanting rays from the sun. So, during this month, the weather is very cooler. The weather is very cooler. The temperature of in this season is 15 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. The temperature of winter season is 15 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. In the hill stations, the winter temperature decline below 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, in the during winter season, in the hill stations, the temperature is reduced below 5 degrees Celsius. Some valley areas get 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, very low temperature, 0 degree Celsius. Okay, then the second season is summer season. The second one is summer season. The summer season is occurred during the month of March to May. The summer season is occurred during the month of March to May. Okay. Then the sun migrated towards the north during the month of March, April and May. Listen very careful, student. The sun migrated towards the north during the month of March, April and May. It results the sun rays falls vertically in South India. It results the sun rays falls vertically in South India. Tamil Nadu located the southern part of India, is it? So, Tamil Nadu experienced very high temperature during this period. Tamil Nadu is located in the southern part of India. So, Tamil Nadu experienced very high temperature during this period. The temperature is 30 degrees Celsius to more than 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, during this period, Tamil Nadu has the temperature of 30 degrees Celsius to more than 40 degrees Celsius. In the month of May, the southern part receives some rainfall from pre-monsoon showers. That means the mango blossom showers. And some part experience the convectional rainfall also. Okay, then the third one is southwest monsoon. The third one is southwest monsoon. The southwest monsoons are occur during the month of June to September. It occurs during the month of June to September. Then listen, students, during March to May, heating of the landmass creates low pressure in North India. This results in the formation of southwest monsoon. Listen very careful, students. During March to May, heating of landmass creates low pressure in North India. This results in the formation of southwest monsoon. Okay. During this period, Tamil Nadu is located in the rain shadow region for the wind. That particular wind blows from the Arabian Sea. As a result, Tamil Nadu receives only low rainfall. Meager rainfall means very low rainfall from this monsoon. Okay. Then rainfall during this season decreases from west to east. The rainfall decreases from west to east during this monsoon season. Mainly, Coimbatore Plateau receives an average of 50 centimeter rainfall. Coimbatore Plateau receive 50 centimeter rainfall. Some of the southern districts like Kanyakumari, Tirunelveli and Nilgiri districts are receives 50 to 100 centimeter rainfall during this particular period. Okay. Then eastern part of the state gets very scanty rainfall. Scanty means very low rainfall. Okay. Then the fourth important season is northeast season. The fourth one is northeast season. This season is occur during the month of October to December. The northeast monsoon is occur during the period of October to December. Okay. Then the high pressure creates over Central Asia and northern part of India becomes bring the northeast monsoon wind. Okay, the high pressure it created in Central Asia and the northern part of India becomes the northeast monsoon season. Okay, in this time the sun migrate from Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn. In this season, the suns migrate from Tropic of Cancer to the Tropic of Capricorn. It causes change receiving temperature and air pressure. It causes change to receiving temperature and air pressure. Okay, then it makes the wind to blow Bay of Bengal from North India. Okay, it bring the wind from Bay of Bengal to North India. So it is known as northeast monsoon. So it is known as northeast monsoon. This northeast monsoon is a part of returning of southwest monsoon. Sometimes this particular wind is returned to southwest monsoon wind. So it is called as retreating monsoon. Northeast monsoon's other name is retreating monsoon. Important one word question. Okay, retreating monsoon. Okay, this is during this period we will get the heavy rainy season. Okay, 48% of annual rainfall we are getting during the period of October to December. That means in the northeast monsoon season. The coastal districts are get 60% of annual rainfall in this particular season, and interior districts are get 40 to 50% of rainfall during this particular season. And also cyclone also cause in during this particular season. The cyclones are originated from the Bay of Bengal. The cyclones are originated from the Bay of Bengal. It brings heavy rainfall to the east coastal region of Tamil Nadu. More than 50% of states rainfall are received from these tropical cyclone during this particular period. Some of the east coastal regions receives 100 to 200 centimeter rainfall during this particular season. Then the central and northern parts also received some rainfall. For example, 50 to 100 centimeter rainfall that northern part also receiving during this particular season. This sometime this season cyclone sometime disturb to the cultivation of crops. Sometimes it brings some of the damage of our life and our property also. Okay, these are the important seasons of Tamil Nadu. Okay, then Chinnakallar, it is in near Valparai. It is the third wettest place in India. Important one word question. Listen very careful, students. Book inside one word question. Chinnakallar, that is near Valparai. It is the third wettest place in India and first wettest place in Tamil Nadu. It is the third wettest place in India, and it is the first wettest place in Tamil Nadu. Okay, can you understand, students? Shall we recall the points? Students, today we learn drainage. Is it? First of all, we learn drainage. Rivers. It is rivers are the important lifeline of our state. Is it? Then Tamil Nadu has many rivers. Some of the important rivers now we learned. Is it? Have you remember, students, what are the rivers we learned? Very good. Kaveri, Palar, Ponniyar, Vaigai, and Tamrabarani. These are the important rivers in Tamil Nadu. Most of the rivers are originating from Western Ghats, is it? Then some of the rivers are perennial and some of the rivers are non-perennial. Mainly Tamrabarani is the non-perennial, is it? Tamrabarani is the non-perennial. All other rivers are the perennial rivers. Okay, Tamrabarani is the perennial river. All other rivers are the non-perennial river. Okay, then first we learned about river Kaveri. It is originated from Talakaveri in Karnataka state, is it? It is originated from Karnataka, but the most of the areas are flowing in Tamil Nadu. The Kaveri rivers, most of the areas are blowing in Tamil Nadu. And also it is blowing, it form the Kokanakal waterfalls, is it? This particular Kaveri river form the Kokanakal waterfalls. Okay, then across this river the Mettur dam was constructed. Mettur dam was constructed across the river Kaveri. Okay, then many tributaries are there. The important two tributaries are Noyal and Amaravati. Noyal and Amaravati are two important tributaries of river Kaveri. Okay, in Tiruchirappalli the Kaveri river is get two branches, northern and southern branch, is it? Northern branch is called, very good, Kollirum or Kollidam. Southern branch is called Kaveri Delta Basin. Okay, then one of the important Anaikat, Kallanai also built across the river Kaveri. Okay, a number of tributaries are there. These Kaveri form the Kaveri Delta. So this river is called the Garden of Southern India. Okay, Garden of Southern India. Then secondly, we learned about the river Palar, is it? The river Palar also originated from Karnataka state, but most of the areas of this river is flowing in Karnataka. Okay, Tamil Nadu. This Pala river is originated from Karnataka state, but most of the areas of this particular river is flowing in Tamil Nadu. Okay, then some of the important tributaries also have in this particular river. Then this river is flows in the district of Velur and Kanchipuram. These particular rivers are mostly flows in the districts of Velur and Kanchipuram. Okay. Then thirdly, we learned about Tenpennayar. This river also originated from Karnataka state, but most of the areas are flowing through Tamil Nadu. That means 77% of river is flowing in Tamil Nadu, and also it is flowing in the district of Krishnagiri, Dharmaburi, Belur, Tiruvannamalai, Kudalur and Viluppuram districts. Okay, then some of the tributaries also very important in this particular river. During heavy rainfall, this river causes sudden floods. During very heavy rainfall, this river causes sudden floods. And also these rivers, dams are used for irrigation. Okay, then some of the Hindu sacred rivers also here. The Hindus are celebrating festivals during the month of Thai. Okay, then the fourth important river is Vaigai. This river flows from the hills of Varsanadu in Western Ghats of Tamil Nadu. Vaigai river is originate from Tamil Nadu. Okay, first we learned about Kaveri. Kaveri is originated from Karnataka. Secondly, we learned about Palar. Palar is also originated from Karnataka. Thirdly, we learned about Ponniyar. That also originated from Karnataka. But the three rivers, most of the areas are flowing in Tamil Nadu only. Okay. Then the fourth one is Vaigai. This Vaigai river is originated from Tamil Nadu. Okay, in the Varsanadu hill stations in Tamil Nadu. Then This particular river is flows through the district of Madurai, Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram. Okay, Madurai, Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram. Okay, then the last important river is Tamarabarani. Tamarabarani river, it is originated from Tamil Nadu. Tamarabarani river is originated from Tamil Nadu. That means it originated from the peaks of Podigai Hills in Western Ghats. Okay, Podigai Hills in Western Ghats. Then this particular river is flow through the district of Tirunelveli and Thoothukudi. Okay, through the district of Tirunelveli and Thoothukudi. This river also have some of the important tributaries. Okay, it is one of the perennial river. Tamarabarani is the important perennial river. Okay, then next we learned about the important waterfalls. Okay, important waterfalls of Tamil Nadu. Okay, then students, next we learned about the topic climate. Is it? Next we learned about the topic climate. Okay, Tamil Nadu lies the south of the Tropic of Cancer near equator. Is it? Because of that, it receive vertical temperature. That means the temperature is very high throughout the year. In Tamil Nadu, the temperature is very high throughout the year. But in the east coast of Tamil Nadu enjoys tropical climate. Okay, east coast enjoys tropical climate, and in the same time west coast enjoys mountainous climate. Remaining all parts areas are enjoys high temperature. Okay, then here seasons of Tamil Nadu given. It is one of the 2-mark important question, book inside question. Winter season, summer season, south-west monsoon season, north-east monsoon season, and that particular monsoon seasons are occur during the period of January to February, March to May, June to September, and October to December. That one important 2-mark question, that also you learn. Okay, you learned about each seasons one by one. First you learned about the winter season. Winter season, Tamil Nadu, during this season, Tamil Nadu receives slanting rays. Okay, slanting rays from sun. So during this period, we get the cool season. That means the weather is very cool. The temperature of winter season is 15 degree to 25 degrees Celsius. Then some of the hill stations get 5 degrees Celsius. Some of the valley areas get 0 degrees Celsius. Okay. Secondly, we learned about summer season. During summer season, the sun rays falls vertically in South India. The sun falls vertically in South India. Tamil Nadu is located in the part of South India, is it? So, our state get a very high temperature during this period. That means 30 degree to 40 degrees Celsius, more than 40 degrees Celsius temperature we get during the summer season. Okay, during the summer season. Then next we learned about the southwest monsoon season. This southwest monsoon season occur during the period of June to September. In this time, rain shadow region, that means wind which blow from the Arabian Sea. The wind blow from the Arabian Sea. Actually, the results Tamil Nadu receive very small rainfall. Listen, student, the southwest monsoon occur during the period of June to September. Then during this period, very small rainfall, that means very less rainfall we are getting. Coimbatore Plateau receive average 50 centimeter rainfall. The southern district like Kanyakumari, Tirunelveli, Nilgiri districts and all get 50 to 100 degrees centimeter rainfall. Okay, some eastern parts and all very low rainfall during this period. Then the last one is northeast monsoon during the period of October to December. Northeast monsoon is occur during the period of October to December. In this time, the sun migrate from Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn. So it cause to receive temperature, change the temperature and its air pressure during this period. So hence it is known as northeast monsoon. From northeast monsoon, sometimes this particular wind is returned to southwest monsoon wind also, southwest monsoon also. So this wind is called, this season is called retreating monsoon. This season is called northeast monsoon, is otherwise called retreating monsoon. In this time, we get heavy rainfall. That means the average maximum rainfall we are getting during this period. 48% of annual rainfall. The coastal district get 60% of rainfall. Some of the interior districts get 40 to 50 degree. 40 to 50 percentage of rainfall we are getting through this particular season. And also cyclone also occurring during this particular season. This cyclone disturbs our cultivation crops, and sometimes it brings some of the damage and our life and our property also. Okay, these all things we learned. And also now one important one word question: Chinnakallar near Valparai. Chinnakallar, it is the third wettest place in India and first wettest place in Tamil Nadu. Okay, these all things we learned in this class. Students, the continuation of this lesson I will teach the next class. Okay, now all are take a book. You turn the exercise page number 217, page number 217. First three questions already I gave. First three questions, short answer. Okay, Roman number 5, answer the following in brief. First three questions already I gave. The fourth question, name the major islands of Tamil Nadu. The fourth question, name the major islands of Tamil Nadu. Answer is page number 206. Answer is page number 206. Page number 207. Okay, page number 207. One blue color tabular column is there, no? That blue color tabular column, Pamban, Hair, Kurusadi, that tabular column you will mark. The fourth short answer you mark there. Then next one is fifth question. Name the tributaries of river Tamarabarani. Page number 207 and 208. The tributaries of Tamarabarani. Page number 207 and 208. Tamarabarani heading. Last before line middle. Karayar, Servalar, Manimuttar. Did you see, students? From there to the next page. That means 208. Page number 208. First line. And Ramanadi are its main tributaries. Close the bracket. Then Roman number 8. Next, Roman number 8. First detail already I gave. The second detail, write an account on River Kaveri. Answer is page number 206 and 207. Page number 206 and 207. Kaveri heading fully. 206 and 207. Kaveri heading, that fully you will mark. Okay, that fully you will mark. Then Roman number 7, give reason. Second question. Tamil Nadu receives low rainfall during southwest monsoon. Roman number 7, second question. Give reason, second question. You refer the guide. Students, these all questions you learn well. The continuation of this lesson I will teach the next class. Thank you, students.